Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the exciting board game, Sequence. The main goal is to create a line of 5 of your colored chips on the game board. To begin, lay out the game board, shuffle the deck of cards, and deal each player between 5 and 7 cards, depending on the total number of players. Each player then selects a set of colored chips, and players should sit alternating with their opponents around the playing surface. During your turn, you will select one card from your hand and place it face up on your personal discard pile. Next, you will place one of your colored chips on an empty space on the game board that matches the card you just played. Remember, most cards have 2 matching spaces on the board. Once your chip is placed, you must draw one new card from the draw deck to replenish your hand, concluding your turn. Sequence features special cards and spaces. Two-eyed jacks are wild cards, letting you place a chip on any open space. One-eyed jacks allow you to remove an opponent's chip, but not from a completed sequence. The 4 corner spaces are free for all players, counting as one chip towards their sequence. If both board spaces for a card are covered, declare it a dead card, discard, and draw a new one. To win sequence, your objective is to be the first to complete the required number of sequences. If playing with 2 players or 2 teams, you need to achieve 2 sequences. For 3 players or 3 teams, only 1 sequence is necessary. A sequence consists of 5 of your colored chips connected in a straight line, either horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. Remember, sequences can strategically overlap by sharing a single chip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.